Hey, it's Tracy Reuter of Divine Social, and in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, should you be running Facebook advertising in 2020 and beyond? Now, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell right next to it to be notified when we release our next video and never miss a thing. Okay, so the question, should you be running Facebook advertising in 2020? And for that matter, should you be running Instagram advertising in 2020 and beyond? So let me answer that question for you straight up right out of the bat. The answer is yes. Yes, you should. Let's talk about why. That's a simple answer, but there really is an important reason why you should. First and foremost, there is not one successful business in the world that doesn't rely on marketing. Marketing is incredibly important. And you probably wouldn't be watching this video if you didn't realize that to some degree already, right? Well, you see, Facebook and Instagram right now have the ability to reach more people on the planet than we ever have been able to at any time in the history of the world. Now, regardless of the fact that there have been some bumps and bruises and ups and downs and different things with the Facebook and the Instagram platform, the truth is they still continue to grow. They still continue to have more active users on a daily basis than ever before. So your audience is there. They may not be there all the time, but they are there more than they are anywhere else. And so number one, that is why you want to make sure that you are utilizing Facebook ads and Instagram ads in 2020. Now, here's the other thing. Here's the other thing that you want to make sure that you're doing. Facebook and Instagram ads are one of the most powerful and fastest ways that I know to be able to grow your audience. You see, new people are the lifeblood of your business. If you think of any type of a funnel, the top is always the biggest, right? And so if you want to be putting in new people into your business ecosystem, whether it's growing your list or growing your pixeled audiences or getting more video viewers, whatever the case might be, there's no better place to do that than with Facebook ads. Now, in our agency, when we run traffic for some of our clients, well, actually for all of our clients, we use something that we call the 3 pillars to successful social ads. What that is basically is 3 components, 3 pillars. It's audience building, it's engagement, and it's conversion ads. And those are all different strategies that we use when we're building one big advertising funnel. Now, in order to get the conversion piece, which is where you make sales, it's where you generate leads, it's the piece that everybody wants. But in order to make that really, really successful, you have to have people, you have to have new people coming in at the top of your funnel. You have to have new audiences being built. You have to start engaging them and start moving them through the process. So it's incredibly important that you're thinking about all of those things. As a matter of fact, the majority of our clients that have really great success are running these campaigns year-round, 365 days a year. They're not just running it when they have a promotion. They're not just running it when they're doing a launch. They're not just running it at the end of the year for Black Friday and Cyber Monday and holidays. They're running these things year-round to always be adding new people into their ecosystem so that they can then turn around and make an offer. So it's really, really important that you use strategies, you use things that can help you build your list. And I don't know any other way other than Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising that you can actually build that audience. There's no way to build it faster than you can by using this particular strategy and using this type of marketing. So the answer to my question, or the answer to your question is yes. Yes, you should be using Facebook advertising. You should be using Instagram advertising, but make sure that you have a strategy. And if you want more on our 3 pillars approach, I have a free mini course. If you click the link below, divinesocial.com/3 pillars, and it's the number 3. If you click the link in the description below, you can get access to that free course and learn more about how to set that up for your business. Now, again, if you're new here or if this has been useful, please, I'd love to hear from you. You can pop a comment below. If you've got a question specifically about Facebook advertising or Instagram advertising, go ahead and ask it in the comments and make sure you come back. We put out these videos multiple times a week and I don't want you to miss a thing. So my name is Tracy Reuter and we will see you next time.